It is very important to replace the drum cartridge correctly. Replace drum cartridges while the press is powered on. Ensure that the press is stopped and not currently printing jobs. Remove the black sheet from tray 1. Rotate and turn the R1 to R4 drum drawer handle to the unlock position. Open the release handle and pull the drum drawer out. Do not leave the drum cartridge drawer open for more than 1 minute. Exposing the drum cartridges to direct sunlight or strong light for more than 1 minute may cause image quality defects. You can cover the drums you are not replacing with the black sheet. Remove the drum cartridge evenly on both sides. Look for toner waste on the bottom of the catch pan under the drum cartridges. Use a clean cloth to wipe down the catch pan. Replace the drum cartridge. Ensure the side marked front is facing the front. Insert the drum cartridge into the guide blocks and then press down evenly on both sides. It is easy to get the drum cartridge caught at an angle. This can damage the seal and cause contamination. If the drum cartridge is damaged, contamination can spread to the developer housing, drum module and ROS assembly and contaminate the mirror. After replacing the drum cartridge, the press automatically resets the usage counter to 0.